Hello everyone, it's pleasure to connect with you all today. We are Rajesh India Manufacturing Private Limited, formerly known as Rajesh Enterprises. Established in 2012, we have been recently transitioned from a proprietorship to a private limited company to better serve our clients and meet the growing demands of our industry. Rajesh India Manufacturing Private Limited is renowned for manufacturing high-quality precious metal refinery machines and plants, advanced neutralization scrubber setups, chemical wastewater treatment plants, and many other laboratory equipments. We also specialize in customizing products to meet the unique needs and expectations of our clients. At Rajesh India Manufacturing, we specialize in designing all types of precious metal gold refinery tumbler machines that cater to various capacities and customer needs. Here are some key features. Capacity. It ranges from a minimum 10 kg to maximum 1000 kg per batch with multiple variations available. For example, 10 kg, 20 kg, 50 kg, 100 kg, 200 kg, 500 kg and 1 ton. Material. Its material is built from titanium for strength, durability and corrosion resistance. Automation. It has a fully automated system for acid lifting, filtration and precipitation to ensure smooth and efficient operations. Efficiency. It completes a batch in just 8 hours with minimal labor and maintenance. Advanced technology. It has pollution-free operations, no vibration effects and low power consumption, which makes it stand out from our competitors. Eco-friendly. Our machine is eco-friendly as it's pollution-free, vibration-free and energy-efficient operations. Enhanced functionality. Gold refining process. It dissolves raw gold completely, leaving no residue and ensuring 99.99% purity. Precipitation unit. It converts gold into its purest form. Scrubbing system. It neutralizes fumes during the refining process, adhering to PH7 compliance for safety and environmental sustainability. Cycling design. It operates as a self-contained system from dissolution to final neutralization. Here are some of the key highlights. The refining cost is as low as Rs 600 per kg. It complies with international quality and safety standards. It is suitable for refining, mining gold doré bars, recycled gold, local market exchange gold, and gold used in jewelry manufacturing. It has bulk production capabilities with minimal operational cost. Customer-centric approach. We provide 24/7 customer support to ensure uninterrupted service. Our services are available across India and globally with a response time of just 24 hours. We specialize in automating manual machinery at limited cost, offering user-friendly solutions that deliver maximum output. Our team educates customers on the product to ensure they receive the most suitable and cost-effective solution for their needs. Our gold refinery tumbler machines are a testament to our dedication for quality, efficiency and innovation. If you are looking for bulk refining solutions with high precision and low operational cost, these machines are the perfect choice for your need. We are proud to be one of India's largest manufacturing companies with a growing global presence. Headquartered in Mumbai, India, we operate in total 9 service branches across key cities in India with plans to expand further. Our 24/7 customer support ensures uninterrupted service for our clients. Globally, our gold and silver refinery machines are operational in 41 countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, the UAE, Canada, Malaysia, and many more. This international trust reflects our commitment to quality and innovation. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Rajesh India Manufacturing Private Limited. We look forward to partnering with you and supporting your business needs. Together, let's refine excellence.